The House prosecution team insists the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte followed proper procedure amid moves by her camp to block the trial through the Supreme Court. Here is the report.
The House prosecution panel remains confident that the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte does not violate the Constitution. This comes after the Supreme Court recently sent a notice to the House of Representatives requiring it to respond to questions raised in a petition by Duterte's camp, which seeks to halt the impeachment trial. Among the documents the Supreme Court asked the House to submit are the status of the first 3 impeachment complaints filed by private citizens against VP Duterte, the exact date when these complaints were endorsed by House members, and whether the House Secretary General has the authority to decide when to endorse such complaints to the Speaker. House lawmakers maintain that the impeachment is legally sound, stressing that it does not violate the one-year bar rule. Since the first 3 complaints were never referred to the Committee on Justice, a key step required to formally initiate the process. According to the Constitution, an impeachment is only considered initiated once it is formally referred to the Committee on Justice. Only one complaint, endorsed by over 1/3 of the House or 250 lawmakers, has reached the Senate and triggered an official impeachment process. Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua, a House prosecutor, expressed confidence that the Supreme Court will uphold the House's actions.
Siguro wag po nating kalilimutan na ang issue po dito ay accountability and transparency. Nagkaroon po ng issue about dito. Sana po ito po ay wag natin na babaliwalain at ito po ay dapat mas binibigyan natin ng halaga kaysa sa kung ano pa man pong technical na proseso.
He also explained why the earlier complaints were not immediately referred to the Justice Committee, saying the House wanted to collate and assess all filed complaints first to avoid abuse of the one-year bar rule. Chua warned the allies of impeachable officials could exploit the rule by filing weak complaints deliberately just to shield them from stronger cases within the year.
Halimbawa po ako, kakampi po ako ng presidente. Every year na lang po magpapail ako kahit na walang kakwenta-kwentang impeachment para at least ma-meet ko yung 1 bar. Pag na-file ko na, at kung nando dun sa rule, dapat paunahan, di tatransmit lang po. The following, magantay na po lahat. So, pwede po kasi itong magamit para sa kakampi ng kung sino man ang ipapa-impeach natin.
Chua stressed that the Senate should not delay the trial, pointing out that the Supreme Court has not issued a temporary restraining order on the matter. He also warned that the delays by the Senate could ultimately lead to the expiration of the one-year window to proceed with the impeachment.
Sa delay po na nangyayari sa Senado, parang aabot na rin tayo sa one-year bar rule.
The House prosecution panel is now studying possible legal remedies in case the Supreme Court rules in favor of VP Duterte's petition.